Welcome to this fifth video in our short Learning at University series. The series looks at these 5 aspects of learning at university. Here we look at assessments. It may seem a little early to be talking about assessments, but a lot of you may already be worried about these, and they are a key part of learning at university. Assessment can be either formative or summative. Summative assessment is the main module assessment that will ultimately decide whether you pass or fail the module. Formative assessment comes earlier in the module, and although this does not contribute directly to the marks, the feedback that you get from it will help you make your summative assignments better. Many students think that this makes formative assessment optional. Whilst you will not be directly penalised if you don't complete a formative assessment, your final module mark is likely to suffer. Students often say they wish they had had feedback before they submitted an assignment so that they had a chance to change it. That is partly what formative assessments are for, so don't miss out on that chance. Of course, feedback from your summative assessments is always useful too, for improving grades in future modules. There are many different types of assignment that can be set for an assessment. They range from the traditional, such as essays and exams, to the more innovative, such as infographics, blog posts or videos. How diverse your assignments are will to some extent be dictated by your choice of subject. The ones shown here are amongst the most common. Essays ask you to answer a specific question and have a set word count. That is usually somewhere between 2,000 and 4,000 words. They are presented as a single developing argument, divided into multiple paragraphs, but rarely use subheadings. Reports are used to report back on a practical project or piece of research. They always use subheadings to split the writing into distinct sections, which have different purposes. These vary depending on the subject, but guidance will be given. Reflections are used a lot in disciplines where work placements are common. They enable you to learn more from the experience. Essays, reports and reflections are talked about a little more in the academic writing section of the Essential University Skills video series. Most, though not all, subjects have exams at some stage. They can be one of a variety of formats, and some, such as scene exams, allow you to take notes and reference material into the exam room. Presentations nearly always involve you standing up and talking about a topic to a small audience. This could either be explaining a poster you have created or narrating a slideshow. In some cases, they can be recorded rather than live presented. There's more help on undertaking different types of assessment on our various skills guides.